Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do another very important life skills. And this is what we're going to do. Let's have a look into it. Pour liquid into a glass or cup or a mug. The reason I'm doing this activity is it increases gross motor skills, like moving in your hands. This is what you need. You can find it in your home, everything. You need a plastic jug, and we're going to use plastic cup, a mug, and clear cup, small one and long one. Let's pour water. Turn on the tap. You don't have to fill it up. This activity will increase hand and eye coordination, such as like this. You hold it very tight and you pour it. See? Pour it. That's it. It depends on where you want. Don't ever put it on the top because it will spill. Let's do the other one. Move this one. And we pour it more. Now, let's pour it again. That's it. And make sure you don't spill the water. Okay, carry on. Now you cannot see the mark because it's covered, isn't it? You cannot. It's not see-through. You can pour it, and hold it there. That's so. It depends on, at the end of the day, how much water you want to pour it. Okay, let's put the plastic one now. That's it. Okay, now let's go try one more time to show that what we shouldn't do. I'm gonna pour it now. You can see how much you're pouring. Do we need to put on top like this? No, because why? Because if you pour it to the top, the water will spill and go all over the place. Okay, you can find all these things at home to practice, and it is very good because it helps or increase the gross motor skills, holding, picking up. Okay, and I hope you learn another fantastic life skills which is very useful and is everyday use. If this helps you in any way, please make sure you just leave your comment down below and make sure you pick a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Is it the left or the right? You decide.